G'day, I'm just here to show you how to clean a high wall split system filter. It's pretty simple, anyone can do it, and all systems are pretty much the same. So first we need to open up the top cover. Just a little click at the side, both sides, and it should lift up and click into position, just like so. Then you've got two filters on most systems, left and right. Lift it up and it slides out, just like so. Now with filters, you've got the dust on one side. That's the side you need to hose out. So from the opposite side, we get a hose, start from bottom to top. Let's go outside and show you how to do it. All right, so here we have your two filters. This guy just pops off pretty simply. I'll put that to the side for now and start with the filter, the main filter. So dust is on this side, so we're going to hose it from the other side. Small filter. So just give them a shake. We'll put our little filters back in. Just clips in like so. So if your filter isn't completely dry, stress not, because the indoor unit has a drip tray to catch all that water, but most of it comes off with a quick shake. So we'll go back inside now and throw them back in. All right, so we're back inside now. We're just going to slide these filters in. We pop the lid down. Simple as that. So it's recommended to do your filter clean every 3 months, which you can remember as every change of season. Or if your memory is terrible like mine, just say, "Hey Siri, set a reminder for 3 months to clean my aircon." And she'll do it for you. Of course, if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, please give us a call. It's also included in our yearly service, which is recommended to keep your manufacturer's warranty. Remember, our number is 1-300-1-READY. Look us up on the socials at ReadyEAC. Look forward to your call.